The Academy is a 3-week program for all high schoolers, incoming freshmen to incoming seniors, to learn more about what the problems are with our climate and how we as youth can use our voices to affect the outcomes and change the world.
During the Academy, we do a lot of training about how we can go out into the real world in our local communities and take action. We were taught by community organizers from a local organization that protects green spaces about how to organize a policy campaign, how to bring together stakeholders, meet with decision makers to implement a policy that we need to see passed.
Some of our speakers included some local council members and a district supervisor, and they talked about their own experiences with how they got into that position and talked a little bit about their motivations and what they defined as power or the power to change.
The Academy is a tool to help you gain an understanding of how your voice can matter, as well as actionable items that usually are missing from our media. When you can't think of solutions, our Academy provides you with many solutions that you can work towards.
There's just so many people involved that it really feels like you're part of this large group, this meaningful group, where you can accomplish a lot.
I know the youth voice holds much more power than we may think.
We will stop climate change. We will have a better future for everyone, because I know that because I see it every day here at this Academy.
If you are interested, if you have that stake in your community and you're interested in changing something, in fighting for an issue that you care about for your future, for your hopes and dreams, and you want to know how to make it happen, then I definitely encourage you to sign up for this.